Telegram users couldn't be happier. It's got a new update, this time 7.4 version, and like always, the messenger brought many helpful updates for voice chats, the killer feature, a feature that would please a lot of users who were afraid to say goodbye to WhatsApp, and a lot of other things too. I'm gonna tell you everything in detail in this video today. It's the Teleblog channel. It's easy to follow the latest updates and news. You only have to subscribe to the channel, click the buttons, ring the bell, and keep up to date. With the recent update, Telegram continues to improve its voice chats, adding various benefits. For instance, you can adjust the volume for each individual participant in a voice chat. To do this, you have to be an admin, go to the voice chat menu, tap a certain participant, and adjust the volume. Besides, the administrator also has the ability to turn off the mic for any of the participants. If your groups have an active voice chat, it will now be displayed at the top of the Calls tab. There you can join the voice chat right away. Note that if the group you are in is archived and it has an active voice chat, it won't be displayed in the Calls tab. To do so, the group should be unarchived. If the voice chat in the group is empty, it doesn't mean it doesn't exist. In iOS, you can go to the profile of the group and see the voice chat button that you can join. The same way the button is displayed for Android users. A miracle happened for the Android users. Same cannot be said of iOS users. Now you're able to delete all the chats in one swipe. Besides, you can do it both for your phone and for all users you had calls with. Also, with the new update, you can remove the secret chats groups created by you on both sides. By the way, immediately after you create a group, you get a button under its name which allows you to add new members. By clicking it, you get a list of your contacts that you can add, or you can copy an invitation link that you can send to anyone. Moreover, the new update allows users to greet friends who just joined Telegram by sending them a suggested sticker. Due to recent events, fake accounts of famous people, such as the alleged Donald Trump channel, Telegram will now be able to provide fake tags. At the same time, with a fresh update, each user will be able to complain about groups or channels that impersonate official organizations, celebrities, and stuff. To complain on iOS, you have to go to a group or channel page, click More button, and click Complain in the pop-up window, and then choose Fake Account option. On Android, you need to click the three dots at the top of the screen and choose Complain, and then Fake Account. The music player got improved too. Now, by clicking the singer's name, you get the complete track list in all your chats. You can also long press the buttons Next and Previous to fast forward or rewind. By the way, Android users, along with all the cool updates, also get tips in the messenger, such as the new chat button, copy text, or a couple of others, as well as new animations. In a second, we'll talk about the main killer feature, transferring chat history from WhatsApp to Telegram. It's also available with the new update. In the meantime, I'm gonna ask you to give this video a thumbs up, as it's because of you that I'm improving and making even more helpful videos. If you and your friends are worried that migrating from other messengers to Telegram may be too much trouble because you don't want to lose all your data, and this is what makes migrating impossible, well, it's no longer a problem. Telegram 7.4 has a new feature. You can migrate your chat history from other messengers, including WhatsApp, Line, Kakao, Talk. In order to migrate your chat history from WhatsApp to Telegram, you have to swipe to the left on the chat you want and then press the More button. There you'll find Export Chat, so tap on it and select Telegram. Next, you will see the interface of Pavel Durov's Messenger and get options to migrate your chat from WhatsApp. It could be a contact, a group, or an opportunity to create a new one immediately. If a new group is created to import chat rooms, the owner becomes private. Since it's possible to export not only a group chat, but also a personal one, import rules are different. To import a group chat from another messenger, you must be an administrator of the group in Telegram, and to import a personal chat, the other person person must add you to the contacts in Telegram. After a successful export, Durov's messenger will congratulate you with an animated yellow duck for completing the task. After the migration, the chat room will look the same. Messenger will have the imported sign, and when trying to tap on the profile, Telegram will remind you that the message was imported from another app. To transfer the chat history in the Android app, you need to go to the chat you want, tap 3 dots at the top right corner of the screen and select the More button, and then click Export Chat. Then select Telegram, and in the pop-up window you will have access to chat rooms and groups where you can export data from WhatsApp. Note that compared to iOS, in the Android app, contacts and groups are not separated, and you can't create a new group while importing. Well, and that's pretty much it. In a few clicks, your data from WhatsApp and a couple of other messengers easily migrates to Telegram. And all of this thanks to the last 7.4 update. Traditionally, share in the comments how you find this new update. Would you like best, and what seems necessary? We're gonna read all of the comments and answer them. Give us a thumbs up, ring the bell, and subscribe to the channel. That's what encourages me to keep making new content. It's the Teleblog channel. Subscribe and be trendy.